Welcome guys to this new video. Today I'm going to review the shipping agent named SUPERBUY. So I think most of you guys already know SUPERBUY. It's the best and the cheapest shipping agent for Chinese items. So you can see here on the home screen there are many products that you can buy and also some packages people use to ship. So buying from SUPERBUY is very easy. So firstly just paste in your item link, then you pay for it. After some days it's going to come to the warehouse, you get quality check pictures and then you just easily ship it to your house. So you can also see here many users ship to their house, so you can see all the packages and also some very cool and nice items. So yeah, that's very nice. But now let's take a look how to buy items. So firstly you need a product link. So for a VDN link or a Taobao link, you just easily paste it in. So then it's going to load the item, so you can see the pictures of the item here and also the price. So you can see the product comes in many colors. So also you have here more detailed pictures and everything, so that's very nice. So you can also see here how many people used to watch this product, and you can also favorite it, so you can buy it later. So you just easily need to choose a size and also the color you want. Also you have options to use the shopping assistant, so if you need some help with your size or you just want to calculate something with the shipping cost, you just easily click it on here. Then you can also choose how many products you want, so like 1, 2 or 3, and also here on the bottom you can see like a sizing table and yeah, more detailed pictures. So yeah, that's very nice. But then you just agree and then click on buy now or add to cart. But don't worry, I'm going to make a more detailed video about how to buy easily products from SUPERBUY. Also here on SUPERBUY you have a shipping calculator, so that's also very useful. You just put in your country, then also the weight, and then just click on search. For more detailed things you can also put in like what you're going to ship, so like leather products or common products. After that you're coming to this screen, so you can see all the shipping lines SUPERBUY offers. So you can see like there are many shipping lines, like the tax-free ones or like DHL or EMS, or also SUPERBUY Airmail. Also on some lines there are like safety things, so if your like package gets seized you get your money back. So it's also very nice. You can see it's also pretty cheap for like 5 kilograms, so that's very nice. You can also see on the left how many times it was used, so that's also very nice. So you can just see the best shipping lines which all the users use. Also here on the home screen you can choose your language and also the currency. So if you want to show the product price in dollar, you can easily choose that. And also here you can easily track your parcel, so that's also very useful. And also the SUPERBUY support is very nice and very helpful. So you can just see here on the left side, you can always write them with a bot and also with a real person. Questions or something, you can just easily write them. It's very nice. And also here on the home screen you can click on your profile and see like the balance you have and also the warehouse, your parcels and everything. So this is the user center, so you can see like your shopping cart, your orders, your warehouse, your parcels and everything, also coupons. So let's go and that. And also if you use my link for the registration and use my code, you can also get free coupons for cheaper shipping and everything. But now guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.